Question 36. Okay, this is an easy question. You just need to memorize what I'm saying. Whenever you are given this type of these legs, okay, this like this type of thing from here, this is center and this. These two, the sum of these two is always equal to this. So if this is x and this is y, this is x plus y. Okay, so just remember this. So if this is 20 and this is 20, this must be 40. Okay, so now you already know this rule that the angle on the center is twice the angle on the circumference. So this angle is twice this 40, that is 80. The answer is 80, right? Alright. Now question 37 and 38 are with this table. Alright. Miss Simon's workday morning drive. This whole table, Miss Simon drives her car from her home to her workplace every workday morning. The table above shows the distance in miles and her average driving speed in miles per hour when there is no traffic delay for each segment of her drive. So the table, you must understand what is table. From home to freeway entrance is distance is 0.6 miles and her average speed is 25 miles per hour. From freeway entrance to exit, freeway entrance, freeway exit, distance is 15.4 miles and the average speed is 50. And from freeway exit to workplace, the distance is 1.4 miles and the average speed she takes is 35 when there is no delay. Okay, this is when there is no traffic delay. So the question is, one morning Miss Simon drove directly from her home to her workplace in 24 minutes. The whole distance, this plus this plus this is being traveled in 24 minutes or 24 over 60 hours. What was her average speed in miles per hour during her drive? So we need to find out the total distance divided by total time, 24 minutes. So the total distance is 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4. Let's do this. 0.6 plus 15.4 plus 1.4. That is 17.4 total distance over speed. That's the time. Total distance is 17.4. Divided by total time, 24 over 60. That's hours actually. That will be 17.4 times 60 divided by 24, and that is 19.5. So she took 19.5 minutes. Sorry, not the minutes. 19.5 miles per hour, her speed. So her average speed was 19.5 miles per hour. Okay, what was the average speed? Miles per hour. So this is already in miles and this we convert it to hours. So miles per hour. 19.5 miles per hour were her average speed. Alright, next question. If Miss Simon starts her drive at 6:30 a.m., she can drive at her average driving speed with no traffic delay for each segment of the drive. So the speeds and the times remains this in this table constant. If she starts her drive at 7 a.m., the travel time from the freeway entrance to the freeway exit, this freeway entrance to freeway exit. Freeway entrance to freeway exit increases by 33% due to slower traffic. But the travel time for each of the other two segments of her drive does not change. These two won't change. Based on the table, how many more minutes does Miss Simon take to arrive at her workplace if she starts her drive at 7 a.m.? Then if she starts her drive at 6:30 a.m. So you have to find how many more minutes will it take. So she will take 33% more time in this segment only. The rest of segment will remain constant. So we'll just find out the time of this segment and we'll see what is 33% of that time. That's it. So the distance divided by speed will give us the time. So distance, time is equal to distance over speed. So the distance of this freeway is 15.4 mile divided by the speed is 50. And this is in hours. So if you multiply it by 60, that will be the minutes. So the minutes taken in this on the freeway, usual traffic, is 15.4 divided by 50 multiplied by 60 is 18.48 minutes. So this is usual time, 18.48 minutes. But when she starts at 7, it takes 33% more time during this segment. So what is 33% of 18.48? This much more time is taken times 0.33 is 6.09. So 6.09 means approximately 6 minutes more. So she takes approximately 6 minutes more when she starts at 7 a.m. than when she starts at 6:30 a.m. So we had to just find the difference in this time. Usually students take the whole time at 6:30 and then the whole time at 7. Then they subtract it. So you don't need to take into account these two times because these two times stay constant. Okay, and but only this time is changing. So that's the end of this test. Thank you so much.